Today, we're diving deep into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Why are so many Americans packing up and moving to the Philippines? We're talking about a major life change. And to be honest, after looking at the numbers myself, I kind of get it. From what I've seen, the Philippines offers an incredible combination of affordable living and a lifestyle that most people only dream about. So, if you're tired of the rat race, burned out on outrageous housing costs, or just want to see what else the world has to offer, stick around. We're about to break down 8 reasons why the Philippines is becoming the new hotspot for expats in 2025. Let's get into it. One of the biggest factors driving people to move abroad is the cost of living, and the Philippines is incredibly affordable, especially compared to the US. We're talking about a significantly lower cost of living across the board. Imagine all your expenses being slashed. On average, people in the Philippines spend up to 72.4% less than in the US. For every $100 in the US, you'd spend about $28 in the Philippines. A meal at a local restaurant can cost as little as $2 to $3. Essentials like groceries and transportation are a fraction of the cost. These savings add up quickly and make a huge difference. Imagine living comfortably without constantly worrying about money. That's the reality for many expats in the Philippines. Let's talk about housing, because we all know how insane the rental market is these days. In many US cities, finding a decent one-bedroom apartment for less than $1,500 is like finding a unicorn. And let's be honest, who wants to be house poor, throwing away a huge chunk of their income on rent? In the Philippines, you can find a comfortable one-bedroom apartment for around $280 per month. That's a staggering 82.8% savings compared to the US average. Prices vary depending on location. In the heart of Manila, you might pay a bit more. But even then, it's a fraction of the cost compared to major US cities. In smaller cities or rural areas, expect even more affordable options. Spacious houses with beautiful gardens for the price of a parking spot. This massive difference in housing costs is a game changer. It means you can finally stop stressing about rent and start enjoying life. Okay, let's move beyond the financial aspect for a moment and talk about the heart and soul of the Philippines. Its incredible culture and the warmth of its people. The Philippines has this infectious energy, a vibrant blend of traditions, languages, and customs that truly make it unique. First off, the tropical climate is a dream come true for anyone tired of harsh winters or scorching summers. Imagine waking up to sunny skies and gentle breezes almost every day of the year. The Philippines offers that laid-back, tropical lifestyle that so many people crave. And then there's the food. Oh man, the food. From savory adobo and sinigang to sweet mango desserts, Filipino cuisine is a delicious adventure for your taste buds. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable, so you can indulge in all the culinary delights without breaking the bank. But what truly sets the Philippines apart is its people. Filipinos are known for their incredible hospitality, warmth, and genuine kindness. They have this amazing ability to make you feel welcome and at home, even if you're thousands of miles away from your own family and friends. Whether you're exploring bustling markets, relaxing on pristine beaches, or simply chatting with locals at a neighborhood cafe, you'll be greeted with smiles and a genuine sense of community that's hard to find anywhere else. A nature lover's paradise, exploring the beauty of the Philippines. Now let's talk about the Philippines' natural beauty, because pictures truly don't do it justice. This country is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. We're talking about breathtaking landscapes that will leave you speechless. Imagine this. Pristine white sand beaches with crystal clear turquoise waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just soaking up the sun. Picture yourself kayaking through hidden lagoons, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, or hiking through lush rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife. The Philippines has it all. From the majestic chocolate hills in Bohol to the stunning rice terraces of Banaue, you'll encounter landscapes that seem straight out of a postcard. And for those who love the underwater world, the Philippines is a diver's dream, with vibrant coral reefs, diverse marine life, and even World War II shipwrecks to explore. Whether you're an avid hiker, a beach bum, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, the Philippines offers an escape like no other. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, find tranquility amidst stunning landscapes and create memories that will last a lifetime. Easy communication, English proficiency in the Philippines. Let's be real, moving to a new country can be intimidating, especially if you don't speak the local language. But here's the thing about the Philippines, English is widely spoken throughout the country. It's actually the official second language, and you'll find that most Filipinos, especially in urban areas, are fluent in English. This makes the transition so much smoother for expats. You can easily communicate with locals, navigate everyday situations, and integrate into the community without facing a significant language barrier. Imagine being able to order food, ask for directions, or even have deep conversations with locals without needing a translator. That's the reality in the Philippines. Of course, learning a few basic Tagalog phrases is always appreciated and shows respect for the local culture. But the widespread use of English definitely takes the pressure off and makes the Philippines a more accessible and welcoming destination for expats, especially those who might not be fluent in other foreign languages. Now, you might be wondering about job opportunities in the Philippines. The good news is that the country has a thriving economy with plenty of options for expats, especially in certain sectors. One of the biggest industries is the BPO industry, which stands for Business Process Outsourcing. The Philippines is a global leader in BPO, with companies from all over the world setting up operations centers there. This creates a huge demand for skilled workers, particularly in areas like customer service, IT support, and financial services. So, if you have experience in these fields, you'll find plenty of job opportunities in the Philippines. But it's not just about BPOs. The Philippines also has a growing startup scene, with tech companies and innovative businesses popping up all over the place. The government is actively encouraging entrepreneurship and foreign investment, making it an exciting time to be part of the business world in the Philippines. And let's not forget about the tourism industry, which is a major contributor to the Philippine economy. With its stunning beaches, rich culture, and welcoming people, the Philippines attracts millions of tourists each year. This creates numerous job opportunities in hospitality, tourism management, and related fields. Moving to a new country can feel daunting, even with all the perks. You might worry about feeling isolated, navigating a new culture, or simply finding your footing. But here's the thing about the Philippines. You'll never be truly alone. The expat community in the Philippines is incredibly welcoming and supportive. There are tons of online forums, Facebook groups, and expat meetups where you can connect with fellow expats, share experiences, and get advice on everything from finding an apartment to navigating the local bureaucracy. These communities become your lifeline, your go-to source for information, support, and friendship. You'll meet people from all walks of life, share stories, and build genuine connections that make the transition so much smoother. And it's not just about connecting with other expats. Filipinos are incredibly friendly and welcoming people. They're known for their hospitality and genuine interest in getting to know people from different cultures. Don't be surprised if you're invited to join local fiestas, share meals with new friends, or simply have heartfelt conversations about life in the Philippines. This warmth and openness make it easy to feel at home and create a sense of belonging in your new environment. For those nearing retirement or simply dreaming of a more relaxed lifestyle, the Philippines offers an incredibly appealing option. The country has a special visa program specifically designed for retirees called the Special Resident Retirees Visa, or SRRV. This visa allows you to live in the Philippines indefinitely without having to go through the hassle of renewing your visa every few months. It's like a permanent vacation. But here's the best part. The SRRV comes with a bunch of perks and benefits that make retiring in the Philippines even more enticing. You'll get discounts on travel, healthcare, and even entertainment. Plus, the cost of living in the Philippines is so affordable that you can stretch your retirement savings much further. Imagine living comfortably on a fraction of what you'd spend in the US. We're talking about enjoying a comfortable retirement on a budget of around $800 to $1,200 per month. That includes everything from housing and food to healthcare and leisure activities. So if you're looking for a retirement destination that offers a relaxed lifestyle, stunning natural beauty, and incredible affordability, the Philippines should be at the top of your list. So there you have it, 8 compelling reasons why more and more Americans are choosing to move to the Philippines in 2025. From the incredible affordability and stunning natural beauty to the welcoming culture and promising economic opportunities, the Philippines offers a unique and fulfilling lifestyle that's hard to beat. If you're considering a change of pace, a chance to escape the ordinary and embrace a life filled with adventure, affordability, and warmth, the Philippines might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living abroad and making the most of your expat experience. See you in the next video.